Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to configure an SSL profile on a big IP system to allow only TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 using the configuration utility. Transport Layer Security, or TLS, is the successor to Secure Sockets Layer, or SSL. It's a protocol that encrypts traffic between clients and servers. TLS helps protect data in transit against eavesdropping and tampering. TLS 1.0 and 1.1 are older protocol versions that are no longer considered secure and are deprecated in most environments. TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 provide stronger encryption, better performance, and improved security features. So many organizations standardize on these versions and disable older protocols. This demo uses the client SSL profile on the big IP system. You can apply it to either a client SSL or server SSL profile. When you configure an SSL profile to allow only TLS 1.2 and 1.3, clients that support the older protocols will no longer be able to connect. Make sure that your clients support TLS 1.2 or later before you apply this configuration in a production environment. To allow only TLS 1.2 and 1.3, log into the configuration utility. Go to Local Traffic, Profiles, SSL, Client or Server depending on the type of SSL profile you want to configure. Select Create to create a new SSL profile, or select any of the existing SSL profiles that you want to modify. For a new profile, add a name, and for configuration, select Advanced so that the ciphers and options settings are visible. For ciphers, select the Custom checkbox. If it's not already selected, select Cipher Group and then select the cipher group you want to use, such as F5 default from the list. The F5 default cipher group is an equivalent of the default cipher string. Note, when TLS 1.3 is enabled, you must configure a cipher group. For options, select the custom checkbox. In Big IP 21.1, which is what we're using here, the TLS 1 and 1.1 protocols are already disabled by default, showing no TLS v1.1 and no TLS v1 already in the enabled options list. It may seem a little counterintuitive, but you enable options that disable the protocols that you don't want. If these protocol options are not already in the enabled options list on your profile, you need to select them and then select Enable to move them from the available options to the enabled options list. After you do this, the SSL profile negotiates only TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 with clients. Configure any other SSL profile properties as needed for your environment, such as certificate and key, trusted certificate authorities, or session settings. Then select Finish or Update depending on whether this is a new profile or not. Note that if you created a new SSL profile, you'll need to apply the profile to a virtual server before you can use it. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.